Logistics is the backbone of business, getting the right product to the right place at the right time for the right price. The Bureau of Labor Statistics projects an 18% job growth for logistics in Northern Nevada over the next decade. So now is the time to launch your career in this fast-paced industry. TMCC's logistics programs are designed with local employers in mind, ensuring you gain the skills they need. Whether you're interested in supply chain management, inventory control, or transportation, our expert instructors and flexible online options make it easy to start. Choose from 3 stackable certificates and degrees, including a Bachelor of Applied Science in Logistics Operations Management, and gain hands-on experience through fieldwork and internships, setting you up for success. Competitive salaries vary by specialty, and earning potential will grow with experience. Put your career on the fast track and enroll in the logistics program at TMCC today.